Wabi Sabi in Japandi design. Finding beauty in imperfection. In a world that often celebrates perfection, there is a design philosophy that embraces the imperfect and finds beauty in impermanence. Wabi Sabi, a traditional Japanese concept, has found its way into the realm of interior design, particularly in the rising trend of Japandi design. Combining the simplicity and minimalism of Japanese aesthetics with the warmth and coziness of Scandinavian design. Japandi design celebrates the raw and imperfect elements of nature. In this video, we will explore the essence of Wabi Sabi in Japandi design and how it encourages us to appreciate the beauty in imperfection. 1. Embracing simplicity. At the core of both Wabi Sabi and Japandi design is the celebration of simplicity. In a world cluttered with excess, Wabi Sabi reminds us to strip away the unnecessary and find beauty in the essentials. Japandi design takes this principle and combines it with the clean lines and functional elements of Scandinavian design. The result is a harmonious blend that exudes tranquility and balance, creating spaces that are both visually appealing and highly functional. Two. Natural materials and textures. Wabi Sabi finds beauty in the natural state of materials, emphasizing their inherent imperfections and uniqueness. Japandi design follows suit by incorporating natural elements such as wood, stone, and bamboo. The raw and unrefined textures of these materials add character to the space, creating a sense of warmth and authenticity. Rather than hiding flaws, Japandi design highlights them, showcasing the natural aging and weathering of materials as a testament to their story and history. Three. Appreciating transience. In a world obsessed with permanence, Wabi Sabi encourages us to appreciate the beauty of things that are transient and fleeting. This philosophy is embodied in Japandi design through the use of elements like dried flowers, handcrafted ceramics, and other objects that capture the passage of time. These items showcase the impermanence of life, reminding us to embrace change and find beauty in the ephemerality of existence. Four. Imperfect symmetry. In contrast to the pursuit of flawless symmetry, Wabi Sabi finds allure in asymmetry and irregularity. Japandi design embraces this concept by introducing organic shapes and imbalanced compositions. Furniture pieces with irregular lines, handcrafted ceramics with unique imperfections, and mismatched textiles all contribute to the charm of imperfection. These design choices infuse spaces with a sense of authenticity and invite the eye to appreciate the beauty found in unexpected places. 5. The beauty of patina. In Wabi Sabi, the passage of time is celebrated as it imparts a unique patina to objects. Japandi design echoes this sentiment by integrating vintage and antique pieces into the overall aesthetic. These items tell stories of their past lives, carrying a sense of history and character that cannot be replicated. The scratches, dents, and faded colors become visual reminders of the rich experiences that have shaped these objects, infusing spaces with depth and soul. Wabi Sabi in Japandi design offers a refreshing departure from the pursuit of perfection, inviting us to embrace the beauty of imperfection and transience. It encourages us to appreciate the simplicity, natural materials, and textures that characterize this design style. By celebrating the imperfect symmetry and the beauty of patina, Japandi design creates spaces that are not only visually appealing but also deeply connected to nature and the passage of time. So, let us find solace and inspiration in the imperfect, for it is in embracing imperfection that true beauty can be found.